Puppet.
Hello.
How are you this week?
Very good. Me have little surprise for you.
Oh, I like surprises. What is it?
Me need to show you.
Show me.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Surprise.
Puppet!
You like it?
I love it.
Me dressed for you.
Oh.
Proper attire in kitchen lady kitchen. What you think?
Oh, I love it. Thank you.
Thank
Look
you.
how cute you are in your little chef jacket. Hold on. Open your mouth a minute because I think you... Oh, there. There. Ah, there you go. Look how cute.
My hat need adjustment?
Nope, I think it's perfect.
Thank you.
I think it's perfect like you.
Thank
now,
you.
it's just a nice, simple sandwich. Now,
Me like sandwiches.
I think a lot of people like sandwiches. I like sandwiches.
Yes.
So today we'll start with ham and cheese.
Sounds good.
We've got two kinds of bread here. Hearty grain and seed.
Yes.
And we also have a sourdough. I think for this one, we'll use the sourdough today because we've got several kinds of ham that we're going to use. I've got some...
Several kinds.
I got some black pepper chicken.
Yes.
And two kinds of cheeses. And I think the sourdough will be better for that. Let's remove these so we have a little bit more room. And then put them on your board and let them just fall. Now, we can dress it. This is where I usually dress it with our sauces. So what I've made today is a mayo, stone ground mustard, and horseradish sauce that we would slather all over.
Slather.
Yes, and you want to get
More funny words.
Professional words for sure.
Yes.
You know what? We're gonna grab a spatula as well.
It makes sandwich more like me. Has depth of character.
You definitely have depth of character. So I think it's easier if you get a spatula and just really go all over because what you're doing is sealing the bread, giving it a base so the ham and the cheese don't all spill out.
Okay.
And it's important that you do both sides. I like to do both sides.
Me like that.
Don't cheat yourself with only one side.
No cheating.
Dress both sides of the sandwich.
No cheating
Okay.
while dressing.
Now you'll notice, and I don't know if everybody can see that, but you'll notice that we've gotten every bit on there.
Yes.
Okay.
Mr.
Smell.
Style.
Very good.
Oh, thank you.
That's going to seal that because the sourdough has some holes in it sometimes, so that's going to seal it quite nicely. Okay? So we've got that step. Now, it's really up to you what you want to add to your sandwich. Again, we're going to go ham, some black pepper turkey, and two kinds of cheese. I've chosen Colby, some Swiss, ham, and the black pepper turkey. So now I've got an avocado here just to show. You could put avocado on it too, but for these purposes, we won't today. And also sometimes I like to slice. This is a green heirloom tomato.
Ooh,
feel that?
Fancy.
I'm just going to reach behind you actually. I'm going to reach behind you for the platter of cheeses.
Reach.
One moment. I'm going to reach behind you for the platter of cheeses, meats and cheeses.
Thanks for not bumping me in the head.
You're welcome. Thanks for letting me. And we're going to put, see, we've got some black pepper turkey, some ham, the Colby cheddar, and Swiss.
Oh, yes.
So what I like to do, we're going to move this. I don't want to get it on your little fur there. You should be generous with your ingredients. So
generous.
If you lay them out flat like this, Puppet, you make me happy.
Thank you.
If you layer...
You make me happy.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
If you layer the ham like this, and then if you wanted, you know what, while I'm sitting here thinking, if you wanted to, because there's no rules here, you could put in a slice of cheddar, Swiss. Yes. You could put in your Colby.
More cheddar.
Yep.
More cheese.
Then
so many cheese.
I know. Then you could put in... You could put in your black pepper, chicken, more cheese.
More cheese, more cheese, more chicken. What else
you know what I forgot?
What?
You know what would make this extra special?
What?
Oregano.
Ooh.
Now, I know people might think that that's crazy, but don't be afraid to use your spices. Now, I just happen to have some oregano.
We got it your way.
Thank you. We have oregano right here.
Yes.
See what that, smell it. Smell how nice. You like that?
Very
See how
Italian.
nice that is. Now don't go crazy with it because it's really to taste. And again, I know that...
it is to taste. Me like to taste.
I know you do. My family likes oregano on a lot of things. Are you tasting that?
Yes.
And so do it. I usually put it on the side with the mayo so it doesn't get all... And then just brush it off your hands if it's too much. So what I like to do is end with the cheese because when we go to the grill... So remember what I said, match bread to bread.
Oh,
So
yes.
you just flip that up.
So it not wonky.
Not wonky, exactly. Now,
Doo-doo.
what you're gonna want to do when you're in the, we're gonna go over to the stove too. So we're gonna
Okay.
grill this in the stove. But what you want to do is you need to dress the outside of this so it browns up. So what we're gonna do is just take regular mayo. Now, some people might want to use butter, but I find that the mayo gives you a fuller fat flavor. And I know we're watching that, but not all the time. We could put oregano or seasonings on the outside of this too.
Oh,
And then you've
we
got
like
it. You know
that.
what? Let's do a little bit of that. Because cooking is all
Lay it
about
on.
cooking is all about what you're feeling. Now baking, and we'll bake together very
Be
soon.
generous,
'Cause,
sister.
now we have to do both sides of
Yes.
this. We're almost
Yes.
ready. We're almost done. You could put some avocado. You could make crushed avocado so it's much easier to eat.
You like crushing things.
I know you do. And then there you have it.
Done.
Done. And that's Sandwich Method 101. Recipe and tips below.
Please hit subscribe button.
And we'll see you next week.